Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hi, this is Mel. Today we're going to cook bitter melon. So I got a little bit of oil. To that I have a pinch of asafoetida and a little bit of cumin seed. And as this one gets heated up, make sure it's a little bit roasted, heated up there. So it's pretty much getting roasted. Now I have some bitter melon. Bitter melons are easy to cut and chop and keep it in your freezer, and then you can use it and they look fresh as new, even as frozen. Okay, so I buy it a lot, then I cut it, clean it, cut it, and keep it in the freezer so they stay good. Now I added 2 salt, turmeric, and I'm gonna add garam masala powder, vegetable masala powder at the end, and I cover it and cook it for about 20 minutes or so. So here's my bitter melon. It's looking really yummy. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.